Hello there, YouTube. Today is Saturday. Spring is springing down here now. Not heavy yet, but you can see the trees popping out. What a nice day though. 82 degrees. Well, it's probably 80. This thing's never right. It's probably 80 degrees. But what a nice day. Went up to the house yesterday, got a lot more grass. On the side of the driveway we only had like a really small, probably 4-foot path of grass, and I told him, no, that ain't gonna cut it. So he took it all the way over to my property line, so we probably got about 20 feet, 30 feet of grass on the left-hand side of the driveway, and then the right-hand side's all full. Backyard's even got a lot more in it now. And once I clear the back lot, the backyard, I might have him come out and do some more, I don't know. Or I'll seed it. It goes way back there. I don't know how if I can afford to do all that, but it goes way back. We should be moving in on the 24th. So today's Saturday, so this coming Thursday, we're supposed to, not moving in, but closing on the 24th. Did our walkthrough yesterday. It's not clean yet. They're going to have a cleaning lady come in and clean absolutely everything. They got to have somebody come in and put in the refrigerators because they have water, and they won't do it if they have water, so we have to hire somebody to come in and do it, which is kind of stupid. Hot water heater in the main house didn't work, so they have to put another brand new hot water heater in there. The first one, they put new elements in there, and that still didn't work. So apparently we got a bad hot water heater, so they're going to put in a new one. I think that the one they put in is like 100 gallons or 80 gallons. It's huge. Don't know that we'd ever use that much water in the shower. So on the 20, it depends on we got to go up on the 28th, probably spend the night and get a air mattress. Then we got furniture coming in on the 29th. I think we got a couch coming in for the guest house, and then a bed for us. We got to leave all this stuff in our house now for staging. So we took down all of our personal pictures, and gonna leave the beds and some furniture in there, the dining room and kitchen tables and everything for staging. So they're coming out on April 14th, I think, to take more photos. I got to get the backyard cleared out. I got a cord of wood back there that I cut down when we had the ice storm a couple years ago. And I got a whole bunch of paver stones because we had the sidewalk redone. So I'm going to use all my paver stones to build a big, huge patio. Not really a patio, kind of a patio in the back in the woods. And then we're going to get chairs back there, and we'll get a fire pit and put it in the center so we can sit around when it's cold and chilly and sit around the fire. I got a whole bunch of wood up there already, and I got probably more than a cord of wood in my backyard that I need to take. So we'll need to get that cleared out. It'll be kind of nice. Finally get that done. But that's what's going on. Bye.